All right, guys. So today I want to walk you through how to change the profile picture on your Instagram account. We're talking about that thing right there, right here, the profile picture. If this video does help you, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's a really easy way to support the work we're doing here. And I would really appreciate it. With that, let's jump in. So to change your profile picture, you need to open up your Instagram profile page. And then from here, you're going to select these three lines up top. That is the settings. There we go. Inside the settings, we're going to go to Account Center and we'll open this up. And then we're going to select the profiles up top. Now, what we need to do is find the Instagram account that we want to change the profile picture on. I'm just going to select this one. In here, we can change the name, username, and profile picture. Now, when you click this button, it is going to open up your photo gallery. And my photos are all pictures of my TV because it's like I have a tech channel or something. But you would just scroll through, find the picture that you want to change it to, and select it. And then you can edit the picture as you need. Hit cancel. And then you would save it. Now, obviously, I'm not going to save that because I am not ATV. I want to keep my picture the same. But that is how you're going to change your profile picture for Instagram. If this helped you, again, if you could just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.